Good morning, everybody. It is 2:30 in the morning, and just got my bags and everything all ready, and about to go over to the airport, heading to Pheonix for Dino's. So we'll see you guys on the way. All right, guys. So just got over here to the parking garage. Anthony came down from Vegas, and it's a Chevy show, so it's only right that we get picked up in a Chevy, but it's pretty badass. I'll show you guys a little bit more about this in a little bit. Alright guys, so just made it over here to Dino's. This is a Chevy's show, and usually we'd have some Fords out here, but this year Dino couldn't make it happen because he has so many vendors but the same amount of space. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of Chevy content. We're not going to make some crazy long videos. Probably just going to do a lot of drone footage and then hanging out with friends. So we will see you when I pick this thing back up. everybody. So I forgot to make an outro to the video. At Dino's, it was a great time. It was a Chevy show, so I didn't really make too much stuff for everybody. But today we're here in Phoenix, and I'm going to be making another video, so stay tuned for that one. And as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel, and we will see you in the next one.